So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to run a simple query. So this is a list of all my friends in this table, and I'm wanting to throw a party, but I'm only wanting to invite the people that are from Charlotte. So I'm going to click Create, the Query Design button. I only want table 1, so I'm going to click Add, and then we can just close this window out. So I'm going to make this box a little larger, and I'm going to want to double click first name, last name, street address, city, and state. So I want to arrange them by last name, so I'm going to click on sort, and I'm going to click ascending. And then, like I said, I only want to invite the people from Charlotte, so I'm going to click here, and I'm going to type in Charlotte. And then I'm going to click the Run button. And then this shows me a list of all the people that live in Charlotte.